Some small hoteliers in Negril, Westmoreland are reporting a slight uptick in business in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Some occupancy levels are above 80%. TVJ News spoke with some hoteliers on Monday. Visitors in Negril, Westmoreland vibing to good music while enjoying the atmosphere on the beach.
The place is ready, the sun is shining, the beach is fabulous, and so everything is in place for us to resume tourism.
Sections of Negril's hip strip suffered minimal damage during Hurricane Melissa. Now that power and water have been restored, some small hoteliers are hoping for a December to remember.
Tours have started to come back. I had my first tour since Melissa a few days ago, and I was contacted that this week tours will resume normally. So, the numbers might be down because obviously the numbers are down now, but hey, if we get one person, we're happy. But tours are starting to resume now, and we are getting bookings. A lot of the cancellations that we got after Melissa are rebooking. So that's a great sign as well. And as early as December.
Some large hotels in St. James, for example, are now closed for extensive repairs. Reopening is scheduled for 2026. The small hoteliers are pushing to keep the industry alive to minimize economic fallout.
The more we can keep our staff out, keep business going, or the appearance of being normal, the better it is for the industry and for the workers.
What we do is we get our staff back to work, we get them earning again. How are they going to help themselves if they're not earning money? They can't sit in the darkness in their broken homes and doing nothing. They have to be able to get out and work. And mentally, it's good when that happens.
And the advice to persons thinking about visiting Jamaica?
Come. We have the beach, we have our cuisine, we have a lot of entertainment is still happening, and I think we have a lot to offer, not just here in the West, but even other sides. Kingston isn't shut down either. Another place that people can go. Port Antonio isn't shut down. Ochi isn't shut down. So there's a lot of options out there.